My name is Kaylee Denham, and this is my market research analysis. I researched General Electric Company's healthcare division and the medical equipment market. General Electric manufactures many medical diagnostic devices, including MRI and ultrasound machines. Through my research, I found that the medical device industry is an oligopoly. There are a few large companies which dominate the market, including General Electric, Siemens, Philips, and Toshiba. These companies manufacture fairly homogeneous products due to the high standards and uniformity which must be upheld in medical diagnostic equipment. There are high barriers of entry, including the high production costs of profitable products. Also, many companies hold patents to specific technologies used in medical devices. There is also an interdependence among the companies of this industry, as they must match the technology and pricing of their competitors in order to stay relevant. This graph further proves that the medical equipment market is an oligopoly, as it has a concentration ratio of 90% for the top 4 manufacturers. This is more than double the 40% ratio which is required to define a market as an oligopoly. I also found the Herfindahl index of this market to show the concentration of power among the top firms in the market. I calculated the Herfindahl index of the medical device industry to be 2,544, which indicates a high concentration of power among the top 4 companies in the industry. The change which I looked at in this industry is the impact of new medical research and technology. These developments make products more desirable to the consumer. The event that I looked into is the teaming of General Electric with LeucoDx, a cutting-edge medical manufacturer, to explore solutions to expedite the process of cell characterization during the process of cell therapy manufacturing. General Electric Healthcare makes a profit through the manufacture and distribution of advanced medical equipment. Advances in technology such as these make their products more desirable to the consumer, therefore increasing their demand. The determinant of the increase in demand is the advance in technology, which makes the product more favorable to the consumer. Also, consumer preference plays a role, as the consumer in this market tends to change to prefer the more advanced and accurate product. The increase in demand is shown in the rightward movement of the demand curve and the creation of a new equilibrium where the new demand curve intersects with the supply curve. One variable cost which must be factored into the analysis of this firm is the cost of research which is involved in technological advancement. Some fixed costs will include materials, labor, and the cost of operation for the manufacturing facility. Despite these costs, I predict that General Electric is going to experience an economic profit, as is illustrated in this kinked demand curve. You can see the equilibrium point where the marginal cost and the marginal revenue curves intersect. Then, the economic profit is shown in the gray shaded region of the graph. This is my works cited for my research.